26, design number 25, Mr. The Shakers, Dallas. Just went by,
Sila Austria. Hindi kayo sa beach ka. Ano naman? Post ko yan eh.
First turn over of the game.
Gary.
Down to Ama. Rolling zero, pass to Reyes. Inside pass to back to Reyes is good. Now Forbes in that team. Second assist. Pass to inside pass to number 25 is good. Now 6-0 around. Keep ball. Yes.
Ha? Wala, nag-video ko eh. Walang ganun.
Mr. EQ. Shot by Perez is good.
Ikaw ba nag-upload ng ano? What's up? May maglalaro kaya sa atin? Wala na, tama. Maliit na. Maano to, makakabakbak na. Sa gaso sa akin. Sila Andre pa naman. Sipag.
Pass to number 15. Your pass to number 7. Sweep on number 1. You got secured from number 10. Now Jimmy Allen. There's a whistle. Foul number 8, Al-Shabaab, against his first personal goal. First foul of Mr. Mohini. First try for the rebound was good. Rebound by the ball. Now yes, pass was about up to rebound by Dallas. That is good by Mr. Shakers. Pass to Rafa. Pass to Soriano. Over pass to Fernando. Inside pass to Zara. Only help them with rebound by Zara. That is good. Down to 2.3 with 7 minutes and 33 seconds. Now Ama. Pass to Gata. Inside pass to Lorenzo is good. Assist by Perez. Down to Medina. Pass to Soriano. Back to the ball. Left 3. Double. Rebound by Douglas. Shot by Gato. Speed of Venezuela.
Ilagan na nga niya. Ilagan niya na.
Milkshake sa heaven. Los Palos Levin Perez. First team foul. Second team foul. Tama naman. Central for Luzera. It's good. Speak Chinese for Luzon. Now towards the bar. Pass over last. High looking shot is good. That last now has 6 pace to read all scores. Now that back passes Oriana. Isa pass Luzon. Now to Ama. Reyes, pass on goal. How do we finish the shot? Steven pass on the end. Down to Ama. Getting past once again. Pass to the pass. There's the foul.
Dinadaan sa sigaw, rep.
Foul in music.
Utang ina mo. Dinadaan sa sigaw.
It's his first personal foul, second team foul. 2 bonus meters for Ramil Veras. First is number 9. This good. Second try by Mr. Shakers. 2-2. Now to Zerrano. Pass to Antonio. The shot sitting there. Good passes down. 1-5.
Hindi ka trick.
Sinabay for Kiko Quattro.
Grabe.
Pass to the Bravo, number 3. Pass by Bravo. Now Veras back to Ama. Assist by Ama. To Reyes. First 2 goals for the Reyes. Baumina, pass it from. And now rebound by Luzon. Pass to Veras. Rebound by the Reyes. Substitution. 6-5.
Patagay. Dol. Ayup. Tap in James. Hikaw.
Happy teams. Now the youngster.
Ina-upload straight.
Youngster. Now to just from the shut down 8 seconds now to Mr. 3-round Blazers. Now to Ama. Pass to this. Numbers good. Score is 20-16. Now Madara. Pass to Sharon Canada. Rebound by Mr. Pizza.
Basher.
Now to Ama. Pass to Luzon. Sean.
Ayun na. Kaliwaya.
Now to 2.3.
Tune up lang. Kaliwa ito yun. Kaliwa sa red right.
So the youngster gifted to James Federa. Pass to CJ Abel. Inside pass to Tagadoy. It's still down to Luzon. Pass to Lewis. Back to the Luzon. Number 3. Stolen by Lewis. Luzon. Rebound by Abel. Now to Fadel. Score is 22.
Hindi na ako tatakbo yan. Pandayo.
Pass number 16, the youngest player on the floor. Still, shot clock, 6 seconds.
James, bago kayo sa gitna. Ilang four? Iwan sa uwi. Gago ka. Hindi na ba yan? Walang tingin.
That is number 3. Rebound by Lewis. Pass to Aguilar. Aguilar to go. Rebound by Aguilar. Pass to number. Rebound by Lewis.
So si Ama pagdali nila. Pasok mo ba? Tangin ng bata to. Pasaway.
Ayaw pa kasi tanggalin eh.
Kasi na binagay ko mga. Gogo yung kapak.
Ball number 16, goodness. This personal foul to the C12. To Lewis. Pass to Emma. Pass over to Emma. Second rebound over there.
Naabangan niya lang. No?
Still a 2-point lead. Yes.
Ilang runner?
Pass to number 16. Now to the youngster. Education to Philip Temper. Yes, that's how the lead. Now Mr. 3-1. Pass number 6 is good. Now the score is at 22. 45 seconds remaining.
Offensive!
Offensive foul of the youngster.
May ganun na rin naman yan.
Kinakabahan pa kasi.
Itaot lang, pero may utak na yan sa loob ng coach.
First 2 points.
Ubus mo lang talaga siya.
For CJ Bang. Aguilar. Pass to Perez. Shot clock, 40 seconds. Aguilar says they move up to the rebound by Reyes. 13 seconds. Ooh, you went up the ass. 9 seconds. What a pass. 2 free throws for Nagalia.
Alam na.
Second round,
Sila Andre.
Sila Jasper. Ayaw pa, fucking shit.
Now Zuccheras, the leading scorer. Shot, rebound by Luzella. 5 rebounds for Luzella. Nice man, Sarah. Now to Mr. Fergie. Azbar. Pass to number 25. Now to Bills. Back to number 25. Vegas. Jeffrey. Rebound by Zoya. Pass to number 58. Dimoko. Rebound by Bills. Pass to number 8. Now to Bob. Masih baca Sambil sekali Lalu saya Sampai di Bangladesh Lalu lepas Nomor Ini sekolah Ini dan dalam kena Lalu lepas Bangladesh Misal Number 35 Leos. Second person of verse T. Ang alawag po sa pamamahay motor dyan, paki-check yung mga motor nyo, baka natungkot na yung compartment nyo. Sa reverse na Now, Mr. Boogie. As well, pass to number 4. He's number 20. Pass to number 6. Same reserve. 4 points. Now goes the team partner. The number 3 of black. Sinaksak Pogi. Sultan Sabah, no pass to Fana. Pass number 25, Vegas. There's okay. Ayos ka lang? Sige. So the youngster pass to Zerella, area victory. Rebound by Vegas. Now Vegas bounce pass. Safe, good work.
Prep. Urong ako. Baon.
With 6 minutes and 53 seconds. Defense by Equipo Saves. Now Hindi ako, pass ulit ako. Pass ulit ako. Uy, nagpagkas na yung score is there at 30. Number 18, Soriano. Ako. Masyadong nakaban eh. Oh, yung short natin ha. Block. Sarap. Ako points for the point. Siya, uy, umitin. Rebound, guidance down here. Pass to her. Little pass to him. Still, 10-0. Now number 29. Vegas. The score is now 32. 10-second shot clock. Stolen right there. Stolen pass. How's it going? Hesitation from the stolen by Al-Zibar. Shot from the place of the whistle.
Sige pre, akin.
20. Final number 20. Shot up 20 seconds. Expect the medal. Still riders up. So one pass me. First of all, 13th foul. One bonus middle for Luzella. Lorenzo Luzella, shot is good. Brilliant, 3-point play. Takes five. Then takes five. Now the 4-point lead for Equipo Salis. Now let's pass to the zone. Makakashoot na ba? Hindi pa rin. Nalilang na nila. Now nila. Inside pass with the ball. Still, match number 4. Wait. Now 6-4-3. Now 2 players. Performing that. Diretso na performing that. 6. 1-1. Reyes. Pass to Lovina. Now to hesitation to side step to Reyes. Goes around. Rebound down. Pass to Reyes. Finally next. Now, ada jumper, rebound by Cortez. Lucas Medina jumper. Crystal Davis over here. Davis. Pass opportunity. Oi, rebound by Davis. Crystal Medina jumper. Rebound by Medina. Now 10-point lead. Now Reyes, pass to Reyes, jumper, rebound by pass to the player. Back to Reyes. They go over now to Ara. Tap about 18 seconds. Pass to Reyes. Number 7. Shot is good. Pass to Cortez. Pass to there's a foul. Foul number 16. Cortez commits his second personal foul. 30 foul. Now 2 free throws for Christopher Lama. First try is no good. The second try for Lama is good. Down to 7-2. Now to Nabila. Pull up jumper. Shot. Pass to Lama. Pass to 7. The rebound by Lama. Pass to Nabila. Jumper. Rebound.
KQ.
in the house. So number 16, pass to Medina. Only young man, 25. Yes. Pass to now to the 3-1. Pass to Medina. Another jumper. 6 points for 8,000. Now Slovenia. And 1 for Lopina. Power number 16. Cortez is his third personal foul. Forcing foul, warning for penalty. Alright, number 0. Rodriguez. Rodriguez. Rebound by Medina. Lucas, Cortez back to Medina. Pass by Cortez to Medina. Still 10-point lead. Now is 3-point shot. Rebound Martin Bravo. 7 rebounds for Delmore with 8 points and 2 assists. Now, Aguilar. Step up jumper. Let's go. Now, Suero. Now, Reyes. Hesitation to pass. Goes on shot. Safe roll. What's that, left? Foul number 7 to Vida, who is his first personal foul, running or penalty for series. We have it. Dapat picture it. Estrella. Team Orange. Number 6. Sulu Kanya. Last to Elsiga.
Third quarter pwede po. Basta makasama ko dito.
Pass to Zariana.
Umalis pa si Elite. Parang may pumalit kay Maliit.
Ayun na isang Morris.
Ayun ba yun?
Foul number 18, Soriano. Second personal foul. First team foul.
Rep. Baong ka konti, rep.
Last to this. First of all.
Hindi pwede yun.
Number 18. Third personal foul on Kevin Soriano. Second team foul. Will be pass to the wall. Now to Azura. Now to the wall. Goes to the rebound. The title is now to the wall. Only 4-2. Pass to the is good.
Alam mo si Gerard Rojas?
Good job.
Malakas yun, di ba?
Ay, wala. Tinalo na namin yan. Mga talo na ng Yumis yan. Nakarinig ko sa video ko.
Ano pala nun sila guys?
Rebound by Wagner. Now, Sebastian Derulo, Morelos,
Sino naman sila Sherwin?
Kay Bay yan, mga ganyan. Ay sa kanya, kay Bay. Si Bay, Gary. No? Lista mo na yun pag siya, no?
Ibabato na lang sa kanya yun. Wala na, pinabayaan. Patay ka dyan, kain ka dyan.
Ito, pasabi.
Utak na yan. Video ko nga, Steve. Videoan ako niya nakaraan.
Sego, 17. Orange ball, 17.8. So, by 20.
Isang segundo lang naman yung mababa.
5 minutes, 7 minutes.
Yeah. Sentras nga lang naman.
Pass to Lin Wako. Shot pass to Young is good.
James, sahat ka pa.
11 points. Once again, balls about Blind. See how it's developed.
Hindi pinapasok.
Hindi. 10 minutes na pre.
Ay, ano na ba yan?
Egg.
Ay, papasok pa na ulit siya. Tama, iwan mo lang ako ng iwan first, tsaka second. Wala ako. Hindi ako tumirang nakakalaman.
72.8 for equipo Celesta. Ahí por el State victory. Power number 5, Javier.
Sasaban ka na, bilisan mo. Ayun o.
Education of the right. Shot. 0 with 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Remaining sa third quarter. Next 5 ready na kayo. Now, so we're gonna continue with the 5 levels. So we're going to use these muscles that is a fire. Fire number 25. Yes.
Ano din eh,
75. But two Beatles were the youngster from age 13. First try is good. So the pass number 20.
Flicking face. Ganda sa GCC. Wala pa. Bilay yun. Ha? Bilay. Bakit? Last game natin.
Pass to Reyes. 4-3. Diba?
Si Paraon.
7 rebounds for Enzo Luzara. So pass to Luzara. Shot by rebound by Reyes. Now to number 0. Reyes. Uy, Jerry Leah against the big guy. So, Hamas by 2 defenders. Say, counters from Whistle. Power number 0, Reyes. First person by 7. 13 down.
Reserve lang ba dun? Gagawin 18 lang. May training kami sa Friday. Sinama doon. Pinag-training na pero hindi ko kuha. Pang scrimmage. Parang hindi na kami mga ibang goal. Yun yung pang-scrimmage. Ganun yun. Sabi yung kung scrimmage, papalitan yung mga nasa roll. Second person of all, waiting for penalty. Rep. Naka-zoom. Meron na.
Yes,
signature niya yun ang pop and stop, no? Ano na?
Now we have 9 points. 4 rebounds. Now Ferdas pass to Luzo, inside pass to the circle.
Ano ba yung mga ginagawa dito? Sa pasay pag
Yun na.
dito eh.
Pasa niya pa yan.
Nabitawan.
Pass to Luzo, back to the board. Yes. Para defense, Pedro. Now, bounce pass to offensive ball.
Paano ko yun? Nakapapagod sa'yo. Pagkatapos natin sila, pagkalaman sila. Libre kami, gupet ha.
Spin and orange ball.
Kaya, hindi na pa ako rito eh. Ha? Hindi na pa ako rito.
Silvis remains out in circle. Pass to Pedro. Pedro long shot. And one. 5 rebounds for Mobile. First ball on
Sinabali.
Ian Raymar.
Pag-ilalim. Sarap sa ibabaw dyan. Walang makalitan, walang pinip.
Andun
First window is
tropa mo
good.
yung taga-tabi.
Wala, hindi ako lalaro. Iblang nga daw eh. Patay ka dyan. Hindi na to pare. Double pag termino. Nakaya.
Ilan ba naman?
21. 1 minute.
Ilo!
Still 22.8 with 45 seconds.
Malakas din yung team na.
Isang ino, panis eh. Gumunong ko eh.
Now Spence is good. 5 minutes. Now to Mama. Now to Mama. One defense. One minutes.
Nagulang talaga niya.
Hindi, nadulo si Ama. Bumagsak si Ama.
Now Mr. P1. Jerry, rebound right in the middle. Single. Shot at 17.
Ito yung mga, ang naman niya si Lubinas. Ayan, yung Reyes. So ito, Yama. Si Bay.
Mamaya, tiga mo. Buwan yan. Bibilis yan.
Now 8 rebounds for Mr. P1.
Ibabaw, pare, ibabaw.
Now 2 points. Now 10
Wala ka nung
points.
gabi, no?
8 rebounds.
Pare, panis ka pare.
Still 22 point lead. Now yeah, is good.
Huli. Pwede.
Sayang, di din ako. Tinumbakan pala, ano?
Ayun na, small ball. Small ball lineup sila.
Still trying to still a 24-point lead. 9 minutes and 16 seconds. Triple series. Get the first straight victory.
Shooter rin kanina.
Yes, okay. Still playing.
Patay.
Now, JD passes again. Shot, but there is a foul. Foul number 4. Ama. First personal foul for Steve. 2 free throws for number 18. Kevin. Mr. Rockback.
Hindi pa na pag-ibabaw yan. Mag-6 mo yan. Kaso may tama na kasi hindi ba yun eh.
Second try.
Nakinig pala yung show nga. Kasama sila? Oo.
Oh, good.
Tingnan mo, balagbag. Madali lang talaga tayo ng Chris Junel. Pero sa bakit lang naman kasi rinis mo pang inapasok. Kaso sila ibon niya pala kalaban.
Shot clock 12 seconds. And one for the youngster JD Hako. Third foul on Veras, second team foul. Bonus whistle for Hako. Double rebound by Veras. 12 rebounds. Another for 3. Weird. Same. Same goal. Shot clock resets to 14.
Bobo ka kasi di mo nasushoot yung mga board ring. Yung dami naman kasing palo sa akin. Kasi bino-board ring mo pa eh, kaya mo naman tutok eh. Yun lang, sasubo ko na kasi mga maya, sasubo ko na lang. It's shaking. Ang lang niyan, point guard niya. Kalaw tira. Hindi ako maawit.
Second person foul, third team foul.
Nakasayang ng kalaban eh. Pagka sa kanya bola, hindi ko na...
It was 12 points, 8 assists, 4 rebounds. Now we're going to rebound like this. Now to using his play. 14 points for Limbaugh. Still 27-point lead. Now that's about pass to Lovina. There is a foul. Foul number 9. Second personal foul. Substitution. Mr. Rock out. Rock in. Now this. Block by Limpopo. Second block of the game. Now Limpopo. Pass to Jamal Limpopo. Cross to bounce pass. I'll give us a his na restaurant. That's the one. Okay, guys, because we number 7.
Oo naman.
Keep the ball.
Ito, tinesting ko.
What a block from Equipos. Only 5 points. 5 points came here. Only 2 KUs in the house. What the group?
Mapalaban ako sa ilalim. Hindi, sila mapalaban pala kay Q. Marunong yan si James, tama. Yung mga trap ng James. Rep. Balik. Tahu yun. Ingat. Rep.
James.
Diba? Nah. Kasi job muna bago huwag na siya ng mangga eh. Tangin na pag na-attract na yan.
Pass to this. Oscar Sumeri has gone wide. There it is. So yes, that's your full shot, but there's a foul. Foul number 28, let's see what's up. First personal foul, sorry. Team foul. Two close middles for Mark Reyes. First try is good. Second try, Reyes. Save ball. Down to 23. 40 with 9 minutes and 16 seconds. Next game, Equipos 5 versus Equipos 2. Still the time is up. Now,
Hawak.
shot clock, 12 seconds.
Diba?
Talking about Here's the foul. Second, James Goodell. 14 foul, but 2 free throws for
kalaban natin, pre. Puro big man. Puro big man. Puro nga sila big man. Wala silang... Kompleto sila. Kaso walang communication. Walang mag-ibay. Nagkakonsult. Palo!
Substitution.
Sa pindima. Labas ka, James.
5-8.
Labas ka, James. James.
Abira out. 4-6 na point tayo.
Ingat, ingat, ingat. Medyo basa ang gilid.
19.8 na lang para. In 4 minutes and 29 seconds.
Abay, takbo! Ang hinaw ng boss ni Abo. Ang hinaw ng boses mo. Saan libo? Malinis?
Pass to the ball. Shot clock 14. Now, pass to the ball. Jerry Williams, 40. Assist by Oklahoma. Now, once again. Rebound. 6 rebounds for Shelby. Now, let's see there. We will recover whatever saying. Still, 5 minutes. Oh, but there's a whistle. Foul number 18.
Penalty?
Penalty.
Ama, penalty, ama.
First man, Mr. Sheik Brooks, located at Kinari. As well for us. Still 23-30. Now, Mr. Pilgrim pass. 2 points, Lumina. Bounce out the pass to Lumina. Yeah, it's good. Down to 21 Yes, still Reyes. The pass by Lumina to Reyes. 19.8.
Kulang.
Lumbago. Rebound by Zebra. Down to Reyes. Shot by it's not good. It's good! Down to 16-20 under Suve Survey. Out of pass, shot and grab. All number 25, Rodas.
Kaya gusto nila mag-final.
Hindi nila alam yun. Hindi sila umatindang ano. Opening.
Suarez, Diwan Carlos, sa Lumina. Siya ang talaga. Mr. Lino, Still 20-point lead with 1 minute and 13 seconds. Now Matera. Shot for 3. Double. Rebound by Burns. Now to Caruso. Pass to the ball for 3. Rebound by Perez. 22-point lead. Under a minute. Ang equipo Solis. The opposing team is pass to go by Pedro Ranger for Rodrigo Cardenas. Pass to Tanya. Oy, Valdez, Mauricio. Jersey number 20. Jerome Garabal. Best personal foul penalty. First middle for Panya is good. 7 try. Rebound. 5 rebounds. on. 11 seconds shot clock. Number 3 is good.
Sinundot ba?
Down to 20.2 seconds. Shot clock is off. Pass man. 10 seconds.
Baka tira mo pa Sherwin.
10 seconds. Uy, nakatas mo.
Congratulations on our best player of the game from Equipo 6, number 58, Mr. Anjo Limbaco. So Anjo, anong masasabi mo sa naging performance nyo kontra sa Equipo 2 at na-dominate nyo?
Ayun po, bago kami pumunta dito sa laro na to, nag-usap-usap muna kami sa GC namin na yun nga, gamitin natin ng mas mahaba yung ibang players natin, baka meron tayong makuha sa kanila, which is yun nga yung nangyari ngayon. Yung mga hindi masyado nagamit last game, ginamit namin ngayon, so nakailang steals kami para makuha namin yung ganyang kalaking lamang. Diba?
So sino sa tingin mo yung makakalaban nyo pang malakas sa natitirang laro nyo?
Yung huling dalawang teams daw na hindi pa namin nakakalaban, yun daw yung yung malakas talaga eh. Malalaki pa, tapos puro athletic. So paghahandaan lang din namin, depensa lang.
Okay, meron ka bang shout out?
Shout out sa asawa ko, sa mga anak ko. Asawa ko si Allison, sa mga anak ko, si Tori, si Tommy. Mubu ng Carmona Hoops, Boss Daniel, Boss Manu. Thank you po.
Okay, congratulations and see you
Thank
next
you.
game.